Hello everyone. How to create column or bar chart in Excel. We have a table with data that we want to display in a chart. Select the table and select the Insert tab on the ribbon. Go to the Charts group and select the Insert Column or Bar Chart option. Here we can select a 2D or 3D column chart and a 2D or 3D bar chart. The difference between these two charts is that a column chart displays data vertically and a bar chart horizontally. Let's select the classic 2D column chart, and here it is. We can move the chart around the screen as we want by dragging the upper white part of the chart. Also, we can increase or decrease a chart by dragging the corners of it. To change the title of the chart, double-click in the title area, write the correct title, and then click on the white part of the chart. To select different chart design, on the Chart Design tab, click here on More and choose another design from the ones offered. For example, this one, that looks good. Next, we can change the colors of the chart. Click on Change Colors and choose the desired color palette. We can notice that when we choose the desired palette, all the columns take on the same color, not different colors. This is because we initially chose the single color graph type. If we want a multicolor one, we go to Chart Design, change chart type, and choose a multicolor chart. Click OK, and now the columns are multicolored. But this leads to a number of problems. For example, the names of the columns have disappeared, and there are no longer any spaces between the columns. If there are not many columns, it is better to color them manually one by one. To do that, click on any column, let's say first one. Then slowly double-click on that same column. A pane will appear on the right side where choose fill in line, then solid fill, and then the color you want. Do this for each column. Further step is to add names for the horizontal and vertical axes. Click on Add Chart Element, and under Axis Title, write what is on that axis. Do the same for the vertical axis. If we change our mind and want to switch to a bar chart, we can do that. Click on the upper white part of the chart. On the Chart Design tab, in the Type group, select Change Chart Type. Go to Bar, select Chart, and click OK. This view is convenient if the value names in the table are long. If they are this short, it is more common to use a column chart, so we will return to it. If the data in the table changes, for example, oil becomes more expensive and the monthly cost increases, this is immediately visible in the chart that updates the display of the columns. And that's it. Play with the other functions and write me in the comments down below which is your favorite type of chart. If you want to learn how to make a line in a pie chart, watch these two videos.